guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today it is Thanksgiving. Drop my phone. Today it is Thanksgiving. And I am still cooking, y'all. Ain't that something? So I have 8 already, but Lord. Okay. So I have 8 already, but but my mom makes my dressing every year, and she got off work late during the day, so she makes the dress, and sometimes she already have it made for me, and I showed you guys a clip of that before this, or I just have to go, she like makes it up and then I have to put it in my oven. So that's what happened today. And my lasagna also, because I don't eat red meat, so so I had to put it in the oven. I'm sorry, y'all. So I'm at home alone right now. Kind of excited about it because I'm going to edit some videos I have and watch some YouTube videos, which I love to do. So yes, so B-Love makes a video. Okay, I have to watch B-Love's video. I Am Sharika B made a video. You guys, ooh, these are my peoples. Okay, so I'll be back, you guys. Okay, you guys, before I go, these are so good. I got these from Target, and they are so freaking good. My daughter likes the hazelnut ones, but I love these vanilla ones. Oh, so good with a hot cup of coffee. Oh, and some marshmallows. This is like the winter treat.
Everything is not enough. Feeling out by the ocean, among all those white hot sands, where every sunrise is just for you. So come along and take my hand.
Good morning, you guys. So I just woke up, washed my face, brushed my teeth. So I'm gonna get a little decent here, and I will be back.
How's it going, everybody?
Hi.
Open the front door.
You said what? Oh, it's a lot of people in here. Mama, I want some perfume. Poo-poo. Oh, I'm recording. What's the tea? What's the tea? That's why I don't record you. Cause you don't know what's the tea. Oh, this cute. They don't got like perfume by itself. Oh, don't you need one of these? No, I don't. No. Can you get my outfit? Go back. I don't have any shirt. Y'all look cute? Or cheap?
Okay, enough of that.
What's perfume all over? Didn't you see the perfume?
Mama, I don't want it in a gift set.
That's crazy.
Cause I don't want all the extra stuff that come in it. Me too, not you.
I know.
Yeah, they ain't doing it. Oh, you don't want to get on Twitter on here?
No.
Why?
Oh no.
Me. Y'all come out be acting like they just got so much. This kind of cute. So right now we in Burlington. Mama, where's the tea? Oh, with the line moving. I'm finna get me some perfume because I've been waiting. What you mean?
This goddamn store.
Mama,
A couple dollars.
Mama, I don't got no cup of nothing.
Yes, you do. Goodness, it's so hot.
Oh God, here it goes. Mama. She be jacking. So right now, y'all, we are ending the night. We've been out all night. I had to just come and check on family with my mom, and now we are on our way home. When we get home, I will show you guys what we bought. We also went in Walmart, but y'all know how Walmart be, and it was like in the afternoon, so it was packed. But I will show you guys a few of the things that I bought. I would do a try on haul or something, but I only got
little stuff.
Yeah, to wear and stuff, and a pair of shoes. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Glinda Dotson so you guys can see all of my looks. It's chilly, but it's not that cold. I wish you guys could see my outfit, but you can't. It's dark now. I waited too long.
Yeah, my outfit cute too.
But I'll take some pictures for you guys when I get home. Bow, 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 bow. Dynasty. So hello guys, I am back home and I am so tired. I just had my ring light out and taking pictures for Instagram in my outfit that I had on today. And I won't be doing a haul on what I got because it's literally nothing. But if you want to see the few pieces that I bought style, please make sure you follow me again on Instagram at Glinda Dotson. I'm gonna pull this wig off, y'all, and take my eyelashes off, and that will complete this week's vlog. We'll see you guys next week.